Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my home. If you wouldn't mind to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you do like my content. So today for dinner, this is amazing goodness. This is called, I'm just gonna call it like a cheesy chili dip, but in all actuality it's like a skyline dip. So it has a layer of cream cheese, a layer of chili, and a layer of cheese. Then you put it in the oven so it gets all mixed together. So, let me see. These are the chips that I'm going to be eating with it today. So let's go ahead and dig in. This just came right out the oven, so it's very hot. Wow. This is a game changer. No matter how simple the ingredients, sometimes the recipes are amazing. Wow. You guys have a favorite go-to dip that you use for events or parties? Like, just look at that. Not that. So, the topic of this video today kind of ties into what I'm eating. So, the cream cheese and the shredded cheese are just typical store-bought whatever. But the chili I use is this. Skyline Chili Original Chili. Straight from Cincinnati, Ohio, which is where I was born and raised. Lived there for 31 years of my life. Chili is bomb. So what we're going to discuss today, first of all, like, I would love to know where everybody is from, because I know everybody's from all over the US and the world. Secondly, I would like to talk about, like, what are some of your hometown favorite restaurants, dishes, snacks? Like, what is something that specifically comes from where you were born and raised? Because I know every state has something. Well, this is just amazing. Look at that. Go ahead and make you this little chili cheesy goodness. So, Skyline Chili originated in Cincinnati, Ohio. And it's one of the things Cincinnati, Ohio is known for. So typically whenever we do like coney dogs or spaghetti or something like this, that's the chili we always use. Even all the way down here in Florida, because we can buy it at Walmart. And I encourage you, if you can find this in your Walmart, give it a try. Or let me know if you've tried it before. So some other things that Cincinnati had, we have a competitor of chilies up there, and you're either all for this one or you're all for that one. So you have Skyline Chili and you have Gold Star Chili. Now there's no flip-flopping. You either love one and you hate the other, or the opposite. In my whole life, I think I've had Gold Star maybe a few times. So we're a Skyline family. So that's a big debate in Cincinnati. Another really big thing we're known for is Grippos barbecue chips. Grippos. I have some bags in there, but they're over there in the cupboard. So Grippos is something, if you ever go through Cincinnati and you like hot chips, Grippos barbecue. They're amazing. When family comes down here, I have them bring me some, like a box of them. What else do we have? Frisch's Big Boy. Now, not 100% positive if that's specifically Cincinnati, because I know like Michigan has Big Boy, but they don't have the same sauce. But I want to say Frisch's is definitely an Ohio thing. So if you've never been to Frisch's Big Boy, it's definitely a big try. Like they're known for like their tartar sauce they have. And their Big Boy sandwich. I'm trying to think. Grater's ice cream. But again, I can't remember if that's just specifically Cincinnati thing or if that's a northern thing. No, I'm pretty sure Grater's ice cream is a Cincinnati thing. Because like when we go to like the sports games up there, they're sponsored by Skyline, Gold Star, Frisch's, and Grater's ice cream. Which is some really good ice cream. As far as foods, I think that's about it. Like foods in restaurants. Because you know, like Chicago has the deep dish pizza or some kind of hot dog things. Or New York has their pizza. But those are things specific to Cincinnati. This is really good. Super easy to make. Get you this is an 8x8 pan. Line it with 1 thing of cream cheese. Make sure it's room temperature. Put your favorite chili on there. Like the recipe I use called for mil. But again, whenever I do anything chili based, I use Skyline. And then just layer it with as much cheese or whatever type of cheese you want. I also have hot sauce. My favorite, Crystal. But for me, I gotta be in the mood for that. So definitely let me know, like, where you're from. Regardless if you moved, because I've moved to 3 different states now. But, like, what restaurants are specific to your hometown. What recipes are specific to your hometown. Is there a food, a beverage? I know we have Barks up there, but I don't think that's specific to Ohio. You have a beverage that is just specifically from your state or your town. That cheese pool. Or just anything. Anything that you can think of that is specific to where you originated from. This is really good. Very hearty. Super easy to make. Today I'm just drinking Diet Mountain Dew. And let me know your plans for the weekend. If you're doing anything fun. I think we're focusing this weekend on family. So we're going to be just spending time with family. Because sometimes you just got to sit back and just calm down, calm your life down. Spend time with those that love you and support you. And then them kind of people just recenter you. After the week I had, I definitely need that. And let me know what your favorite chips is too. These are like whole grain, multi-grain scoops. One of my pet peeves is chips breaking in dip. Where's my nerves? Let's get you one more close up. Like, it's really good. Let me know what kind of dips you might want to see that I can make. Alright guys, go ahead and end this video here. Go ahead and let me know down below specific things to your town or your state. And then I'll catch you on the next video. Until then, be positive.